Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you are going to learn how you can compress a PDF file to the maximum compression mode, okay? You can reduce the weight of a heavy PDF. That's simple. So what we're going to do today is go into our web browser and type ilovepdf.com. And this platform has a big variety of options. You can protect your PDFs, scan to PDF. You can also convert some files like PDF to Word or also PowerPoint to PDF. You can find several options here. And obviously, the third option, our interest by now, is gonna compress the PDF. So you can reduce your file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. So by now, I'm going to select my PDF file. Okay, I've selected this book. It's around like 9 megabytes. And at the right of your screen, you have three different options of the compression level. So extreme compression, recommended, or less compression. By now, I'm going to do it with the recommended compression. I'm going to compress my PDF. This could take like some minutes. It depends of the amount of pages you have by now. And as you can see, it was around 9 megabytes. And now this is the size of my PDF file. Okay, you can go, obviously this has been downloaded automatically, and go into both of your PDFs files in order to see what's the difference between the compression. So here I have both of my versions. In my left side I have the original PDF file, and in my right the compression. And as you can see, it's quite the same. This is just text, sorry, and you can read it with any problem, okay? And that's what you can do with ilovepdf.com. Thanks for watching.